Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out magnetic lashes and seeing if they actually work. And if you're also curious to seeing if they work, then keep on watching. Blushberry gifted me the set of lashes in the style paparazzi for me to try out. I have never tried magnetic lashes, but I have seen them being advertised like crazy all over YouTube and Instagram, and people are saying that they do work. So I'm really excited to try these and see how they work out. The lashes come with a black outer packaging, so you just need to slide it out to get to the box. It looks like they are a cruelty-free brand. This is what the style paparazzi looks like. When you take out the lashes, you can see the black strip of magnet that helps with holding the lashes shape. If you zoom in closely to the lashes, you can see that there are little magnets attached to them. This is the packaging of the magnetic glue. It comes in a reflective pink metal bottle. This is what the applicator looks like. It seems pretty thick in my opinion. I'm just going to swatch it on the back of my hand. It created a very thick and dark black line, and I'm not sure if I can create my usual wing eyeliner with this, but we shall see. When I spray this with water, it is very resistant and the liner won't budge. At least you know that your eyeliner will stay on all day. If you do need to remove the eyeliner, I would highly recommend using an oil-based makeup remover because the liner is pretty resistant. Before I can even put these lashes on my eyes, I will have to measure them first. Usually for most lashes, I already know that I have to cut off the ends. You can already tell that it is a bit too long for my eye shape, and for me to feel comfortable in these, I will need to trim it a little. One tip is that I highly recommend trimming the outer corner rather than the inner corner. This is because the way that lashes are made, the inner corners are usually shorter so that they look more natural. I actually don't think there are any rules to which side you trim as long as they suit your eye shape. I would say that the majority, including me, prefer trimming the outer corner. It looks like it fits a little better now. Now that the lashes are fitted to my eyes, I'm going to use the magnetic liner to line my eyes. This eyeliner is actually quite thick and I have to go very slowly to create a sharp wing. Now we will have to wait for this eyeliner to dry. I find that this one takes a little bit longer to dry than other black liquid liner. Now that my eyeliner is dry, I'm going to pop these lashes on. So it looks like it does work and it actually looks pretty good. I'm going to take a different approach to this side. I just find that it was a little difficult to create a wing with just the magnetic liner, so I'm going to draw my wing with a different liquid liner that I'm more comfortable using. The liquid liner I'm using is the Galactic Precision Eyeliner Marker, and I'm using this to draw out my wing and to line the inner corner of my eyes. Technically, you only need the magnetic liner to be closer to where you want it to be or following your natural lashes, and that is where I'm going to place it. Then I'm going to pop on the lashes. I actually didn't like how the wing liner looked on my left side, so I'm going to use the same liquid liner to clean it up, and then pop the lashes back on, and this is the final look. I find that method number 2 gives me a little bit more control over how I want my eyeliner to look. If you want, I think you can create your entire eyeliner look with your favorite black liquid liner and then go over top with this magnetic liner and then put the lashes on top. Overall, I did enjoy the magnetic lash. I think they are super easy to use. The good thing about these lashes is that they should last longer because you're not damaging it by pulling off the eyelash glue after each use. The only thing I didn't like is that this magnetic liner is quite thick and I find it a little bit difficult to create a smooth line in one go. Other than that, I think that the magnetic lash is super easy to use. Let me know what you think about the Blushberry magnetic lashes in the comment section below. I hope you all enjoyed this review, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!